Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 2023 and the time is roughly around 7:10. What a phenomenal fall today, and we were talking about this from Sunday. And again on 19th we made a video and we said the fall is expected on 20th, 21st and 22nd, and we exactly predicted 1% of fall in Nifty on 19th, and that video is available with you. Exactly, touch wood, by God grace, it did the exact number, the percentage which we posted there, which was 1.41 percentage. So is it possible to predict all this? Yes. Is it possible? If you understand the timing concept and if you do little bit of formula or the mathematical formula, you can also predict these kind of percentage of fall much before. And exactly we gave a timing today, and all our timings literally worked well, and our numbers really worked well. And one guy made 9.5 lakhs today only on the timing which I gave before the market opens, which is called the combo timing. Okay, but leave that. That is actually for the members. Others also, I used to give my timings in the PPT, and nowadays I'm not giving that to people freely, because there is no reciprocation from you people. That, see, if I give something to you, there should be some reciprocation from your side, just to give like or a good comments or something like that. If nothing is happening from your side, I will also get bored to show all that to you. And anyway, my members really enjoy the timings, and let's go and see what we talked about on 19th and how market worked based on timings, based on technical parameters, based on the past pattern, and as well as the intraday timings and the numbers. And this video will be little big. If you want to learn something, you need to watch the entire video. Otherwise, the decision is always yours. Let's go and see. So now this is the daily forecast video which we made on 19th of December. 19th of December. In that, we clearly said Nifty will do 1.41 percentage or 3.45 percentage. Okay, and if you go and see exactly, the today's fall is 1.41 percentage. So now if you go to Nifty and if you see the Nifty percentage of fall, it is exactly 1.41 percentage. I am not writing 1.40 percentage, but I am writing 1.41 percentage. Even that 0.1 matters a lot. 0.1 matters a lot. This is how market behaves when the past pattern is combining with the price action pattern. Yesterday there was a price action pattern. What was the price action pattern? It was an inside bar candle. Last 2 days was an inside bar candle with the mother candle, and we have clearly said that the 2 days inside bar candle with the mother candle. So the market is going to take a decisive decision only on the particular date. Only on the particular date. So exactly the pattern, it is not able to cross the mother candle, and it went below the mother candle low, and the fall was phenomenal. And we are able to forecast this at 11:30 in the afternoon itself, and clearly said, cut down all the F&O position, make it zero. All the F&O position, make it zero and take a short position. And the 47,000, I think 47,700 call at 26, it went to 360. 360. The stop loss was roughly around 9 rupees, and I was educating my people why the trending move has to come, when the trending move has to come. Everything I was explaining in my in my WhatsApp group. Let's go and see all that. So now, touch wood, by God grace, we should not take the credit of predicting this number, it got it. All that entire credit goes to market. Entire credit goes to market. So we are praying something and we are writing something. and the market is respecting it. So we should not take any credit. We should not take any credit. We need to give the entire credit back to market. Entire credit back to market. So if you respect the market, market will come and respect you. With dot to dot, it will respect you. That's a beauty of the market. That's a beauty of the market. So you need to understand that. And today I've clearly said, below this number, watch, you will be in a critical stage. This was the weekly, bearish number. Once it took this out, the fall was massive. The fall was massive today in Nifty. So let's go and see all that. So now if you go to the WhatsApp group and okay, chalo, let's go to the starting. So let's go to the starting and see the timing, how it worked. Just a minute. Yeah. So this was the timing 1 to 105. This one timing gave 9.5 lakhs profit to one of my member. Only one timing 1 to 105. See, this timing will not be in my PPT. This is the combo timing which I write after the market open. After the market open. And again, this is the number which I give before the market opens. And today, a 5 minutes candle closed above 21,563 and it came and hit the stop loss at 21,524. Then the short got initiated exactly at the timing, and all the targets achieved, and it went again below another 200 points from here. So if you go to the timing, we are giving this timing before the market opens, not after the market opens. Before the market opens at 9:11 a.m. we are giving this timing. Okay, then from 11:30 the cautious stuff started, and I was explaining why we need to go short, why we need to cut the position, and all that. This is how it started. Why we should be very careful on the market, and we clearly said at 11:41 itself, be little cautious on the market. According to me, the fall will be massive. The fall will be massive once it breaks 48,003. 48,003 in BNF, because Bank Nifty it was perfectly, it was respecting this number, came back, touched, and we said this is the crucial number to watch out in BNF. And we said Bank Nifty timings, exactly the top happened on the timings only. So exactly market came and touched this number and bounced back. But we said make or break timing is happening here for Bank Nifty, 150 to 205. 150 to 205. And we clearly predicted the fall from the morning. It was only a one-sided, it was a choppy move. And I was explaining to my members why there will be a one-side move, and that too clearly mentioned. The one-side move will come when our timings will come. Clearly mentioned here. Still all in red, 100% there will be a one-side move, and our timing will do the wonder. Wait and watch. This we posted at 12:13. We are not here to go and talk about what is there in option chain analysis, whether it is butterfly, cat, dog. No, we are not talking about strategy here. Just by seeing what is happening here, you can clearly know what big people are up to. Clearly said 47,700 put till it is below 26, the movement will not come. Once it breaks, we said the movement is going to be phenomenal, and from there it went up by 10 times. This is how the big players play this market, not based on your option chain analysis. Understand this. It is not based on your option chain analysis. You will be doing only post-mortem after seeing that, option chain analysis. Everything is here only. Everything is here only. Everything is here only. This is the second video I put for my client and members and said, wait and watch. 100% there will be a one-side move and our timing will do the needful. Many people ask whether FII follows the timing, whether they are following the timing or not. Market follows the timing and it respects the timing. And after that, it was a gala time, we are making a killing. And till the end also we are making a killing. And that is what I said, be like a chameleon if you are a trader. If you marry any stock, you will be killed. See, for a trader it is different, for an investor it is different. And we said very clearly yesterday itself, 750 points on the cards when the number convergence happens. Kindly go and watch my yesterday video. I clearly mentioned what is number convergence. You don't need to do any analysis or option chain analysis, support, resistance level, nothing. You don't need all that. When the number converts, 750 points taken, 250 points Nifty taken. Even you can trade only one day to capture 250 points. If you trade 4 lots, 1000 points done on a single day. Close the system, 19 days, spend time with your family and come back again, and the next month again one day the number will converge, play. Very simple. Why you are putting so much of headache in putting 10,000 strategies in that and 20,000 adjustment in that? One day is enough. When the number convergence, next day trade. Till that time keep quiet, enjoy the time with your family. So as a trader you need to be like a chameleon. You need to turn the table. I was also holding, yesterday itself I cut many of my position and today I was holding stock position. I put my stop loss, it triggered. We need to exit, book loss, no other go. If I prayed, I cut my India Bulls, at 216. It came and touched 216. Again, it went back to 224. And my stop loss again I put it at 216. If I would have held to that counter, from there it went down by 7%. 7%. So this is what we said, 17,000, 47,400 put, about 24, 250 done. 250 points done. Okay, chalo. So this is all our WhatsApp stuff. Now let's go and see what we talked about yesterday. So we said very clearly, whenever the number convergence, the move is going to come. It may be on the upside, it may be on the downside. And yesterday in my video, I clearly said, if the market is going to gap up, it will come and take the support here, and you need to wait, watch the price action here, then take a call. It will go like this. So what market did? Again it went up, came down exactly this number and touched here, and it was struggling at this number for more than 45 minutes. It's a very small 3 numbers in Bank Nifty, and people say that these numbers are controlled by FIIs, option chain, all that. They write the put, write the call. No, we don't believe in all that. So all that it is post-mortem. We are giving that number, exact number, one day before, and market was struggling within this 30 points for more than 1 hour. Kindly go and open your chart and see all this. And once it broke, everything taken out for a toss. Everything taken out for a toss. Again, if you go to Nifty, this is what we said, 316. If it breaks, if it breaks 316, this is the weekly number which I published on 19th, and all these targets will open, and clearly said the pattern target is 21,570 for the week. Exactly the high made somewhere here. It is, I think, 21,590 or whatever it is the high. So the pattern got finished, and once it broke this, all this opened. Now watch this one number tomorrow, or watch this one number tomorrow. If market has to take the support, it has to take the support there only. 20,936. So it should be 936, sorry. 20,936. Okay. So now let's go to the timing. So what timing we gave? What timing we gave? And I gave you the positional timing of Tuesday, and I showed this on Monday night to you in YouTube channel also. Normally this is for my members, but I showed this timing, which is the positional timing for Bank Nifty. Then these are all the timings for today, and these are all the timings for Nifty, and the positional timing for Bank Nifty for today is 325 to 330. And apart from that, I added one more timing, which is the combo timing, which is 11 to 11:05 in the morning. 11 to 11:05 in the morning. And apart from that, if you go and see, the exact closing of Nifty future is this number. This number. We are not writing this resistance is 100 points above, support is 200 points below. No, we are not writing that. We are writing only one number. The closing. Average closing is this. 211.69. And we are not writing now. We are writing this number on Sunday. All these numbers are shown to you, to the Telegram members, to my members on Sunday afternoon. And we are not changing the numbers. We are not changing the numbers. So even if your option chain analysis, you cannot write this exact number, no? 21,171. This is how market works. This is how market works. And clearly said in this week, this is going to be the major resistance area. Clearly marked in red, and I have already given bold pattern also. This is what it is. And now let's go to the timing of Nifty first. Okay, I'll come to this bigger picture later. So now this is the timing. So now first of all, this is the first timing, and you should not exit. It is above. So now then it went below. It went below here, and exactly the next top happened exactly on the time, which is the 11 to 11:05 time. Sorry, 11:05 to 11:10 timing. The exact top happened. And this is the combo timing. This is the combo timing. The fall started after this only. After this only. Then again it came down. This candle, again none of the candle closed above. So from here if you take, none of the candle, timing candle high was taken out anywhere till the last timing candle. Till the last timing candle, none of the candle high was taken out. This is how the timing works. Whether you are in weekly forecast, weekly expiry or monthly expiry or whatever expiry you take. This is how the timing works. And again, when it goes to Bank Nifty, so this timing was the positional timing. If you go here, this is the positional timing of Tuesday. So now if you go here and if you mark, just a minute, if you mark this positional timing, so mark this high, mark this low. So next day market open gap up, and it was doing dilly-dally, and once it closed below the positional timing, rest is history. Rest is history. And again, leave this positional candle. Let's talk about today's timing. So now the first candle, I said the first candle itself will do the needful. Again the next candle came, and more or less this candle time and price, this candle time and price exactly combined. This is called one method of price and time squaring. So if you mark this candle I and if you mark this candle low, and once the candle close below, kindly initiate a short here, stop loss I of this candle or I of this candle till you achieve your first target, which is 1:1. See how beautifully market went up again and got rejected at that particular timing candle. People will say this is the resistance area. No, it is wrong. The technical people will do postmortem like this. This is the support area, this is the resistance area. No, the time will always bring the support and resistance dynamically on its own. The market, the timing candle will be the major support and resistance candle for the market, not the postmortem resistance and postmortem support. And we are writing this timing not today, we are writing this timing yesterday. Not today, yesterday. Hope you understood this. Okay. So now from there it started falling and all we enjoyed. So now why market has to fall like this on this particular day? So if you go to the past pattern, you all know that 21st is the very important day based on the solar date and based on the Gann date and all that. And last 21st it gave a major fall of roughly around 1.01%. It was a good decent fall. Again, if you go to the previous year, this is where the market made the bottom and it gave 2.18%, and that is where the market made the bottom. And from there it was a phenomenal rally. So this candle, but here the candle is different, now the candle is different based on your candlestick pattern and whatever it is. So again this candle is a red candle on 20th December. Again if you go to the previous one, again a big candle of 3.14%. 3.14%. Again if you go back, the exact top made here on 21st December. Before the COVID fall. Now people are talking about some COVID is going to come, blah 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 blah. All that, it's a postmortem to us. So simply mark today's high and low of the candle, whether the COVID is going to come or not. Everything will known in today's candle. You don't need to go and read any. You don't need to go and see any newspaper, or no need to watch any TV. If the market is not closing about today's candle, rest assured that something we are going to have. So now again if you go here, same on 21st, it gave 1.81%. So based on a calculation of all these 5 instances, if you calculate a formula, you will also get that 1.41%. That is what I gave on 19th, in my 19th video, as well as on my Sunday weekly forecast video. And touchwood, market came and did the same on today. So the entire credit must go to market. We should not take entire credit that I predicted that, I predicted this, I told you much before, I told you this one. We should not do all that. Entire credit must go to the market. So these are all the past pattern. If you go and see, you will see everything. And again, the past pattern. So if you, what was the pattern? The pattern was very simple. So now if you go here, this is the pattern. Everybody knows this pattern. So if you go and take this low, and put it on the top. The exact top is the pattern top. That's all, nothing more than this. This is what I was claiming, 21,570, because 21,570 is a Gann number. That is why I gave the Gann number, which is 21,570. This is a simple pattern which you can understand. If you are following price action, yeah, now you already know that this is the mother candle and two inside bar candle. I was praying for this candle for the last 2 days. Yesterday also I told you why I am praying for this candle, because only if this kind of a pattern emerge on the top, you will get this kind of a fall on that day when the time also combines. So that is why I always say, when you are talking about price action, don't talk about price action. This is post-mortem. The price action is nothing but a post-mortem. It should be a time price action. It is not a price action. When the time combines with price, there will be an action. If the time doesn't combine with price, there won't be any action and the market will do like this. So here there is no time involved. That is why market is doing this. When the time came into the picture, the action started. This is called time price action. People, those who are teaching price action, they are not talking about time. They are only talking about pattern. Triangle pattern, rectangular pattern, head and shoulder pattern, that pattern, this pattern. No. The time has to come and mingle with the price for an action, or the time has to come and mingle with the pattern to get an action. This is called a time price action, not price action. Hope you understood this. Okay. So now, what else? I think, yeah, this is where the Nifty future closed exactly on our weekly number, which is 21,171. So now it has to hold this number to take a U-turn from here. If not, the fall will be again massive, because today the Nifty numbers converged. Yesterday, Bank Nifty future number converged and we saw a decent fall, and today Nifty future numbers converged. So tomorrow is going to be the expiry day. On the expiry day, simply mark the first 30 minutes high and low of Nifty and take the trade. If it goes above here, go long by keeping a stop loss of this candle. If it goes below after the 30 minutes candle, go short by keeping a stop loss of high of this candle. Again, tomorrow is the 21st, which is again an important Gann date. So again, 15 minutes high and low also will do the needful for tomorrow. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, this was the weekly number. This was the, where is it? I don't know where I kept it. No problem. Now today, when the market was trading at 31,316, which is our sell number for today, 21,316. If you go to 30 minutes candle, so the market came down and took the support at this number. Again it went up, but it is the next candle unable to close on the, if you go to 1 hour, because I showed in 1 hour, the video I made was in 1 hour. I clearly said if it breaks 21,316, it will come and stay here only. It will come and stay here only. It will not stay here. No, it will come and stay here only. If you understand what I was talking or I was teaching in my weekly forecast webinar, you will understand why it has to come and touch and sleep here for some time. And last time when I was doing my 2 weeks before video, I said very clearly it will come back and respect this, and from there only it will move. Otherwise it will not move. So now this place it got support, but here it is a least support area. So Nifty will try to break this area. If in case if the fall would have happened somewhere here, believe me, if it is not holding this area, the fall will be massive. Nobody will teach this in India when it comes to Ichimoku. They will only talk about cloud will take a support, this one will take a support. No, when it will break, nobody will tell. So now again it is here. So now bulls must pray. Bulls must pray that it should hold this low, because till on the 1 hour there is no problem when it comes to Ichimoku. When it comes to Ichimoku, there is no problem in 1 hour time frame for Nifty, and it is also inside the cloud and it is holding this cloud low. Right? So tomorrow, in case if the market is going to trade within this cloud, it is going to eat the premium again. So if it breaks this low, then the fall starts. And if you go and watch this in Bank Nifty, you will definitely wonder how this market is working like this. So last time it took the breakout here. Whenever it takes the breakout, and if it is not coming and touching here, it will come and break this. And see where all it has not tried here, it has not tried here, it has not tried here, it has not tried here. It will try only when there is a least support area. So now this candle more or less closed below the cloud. More or less closed below the cloud. But according to us, whether this baseline or a conversion line or a cloud upper end or the cloud, we are not bothered about all these four. We are bothered only about lagging span. So now a possibility is it will try to come and take the support here and bounce. If it is going inside, believe me, the fall will be here. The fall will be up to this, which is 46,100 level. So the crux of the Ichimoku is not with the cloud or not with the baseline or a conversion line. The crux of the Ichimoku is with this lagging span. And believe me, this lagging span is a much bigger version of your RSI. It holds everything. It holds everything. Those who understand Ichimoku, they will understand Ichimoku, because I am doing the session for them now. I am teaching them. So people, those who understand Ichimoku, they will understand Ichimoku. So now, two things has to be considered tomorrow. One, this guy has to come and here and take a bounce here. Otherwise, this guy will come here and it will bounce back. If this goes down and this goes up, you are going to have a gala time on the downside. Okay, this is how Ichimoku works, and if you go to 15 minutes also, this is just a basic of Ichimoku, but I teach, I practice a bigger version of Ichimoku in a very advanced stage. So that's how it is. Let's go and talk about tomorrow's stuff. And now market is below this, and exactly the market, it topped out here if you go to Bank Nifty. So now if you go to Bank Nifty on daily, $48.1, I think. What is the number? Just a minute. 48,168. This is where market topped out. Do you think we are writing this number today? No. We are writing this number Monday morning 9:45. Monday morning 9:45, this number is with you. And today the exact high is 48,000. 48,166. Our number is 48,168. And yesterday, this went up and touched that number, but unable to close above 46,168. And that is why I always say this is the God-owned number, not Parthasarathhi's number. It is a God-owned number. And where is the bearish 47,559? So now if you go here, then mark 47,559. So based on the number, if it again goes back here, it will face resistance only. Many people are using, sir, how to use your number for option chain? If it is not able to sustain above this number, can you not go and sell, 48,200 call, 48,100 call? Why you need stangle, butterfly, cat, dog, tiger, and for that 20,000 adjustment also. One single number knows everything. If it is not able to sustain above this for 30 minutes, you can simply go and sell 48,100 call, 48,200 call, do whatever you want to do. And when it breaks 47,559, you can go and sell 47,600 call, 47,700 call, all are for you. So these numbers are for buyers as well as for the sellers. And I have already explained very clearly in my weekly forecast video how to use this number for options sellers, and how you can use for an option buyer also. Believe me, your option chain analysis and all cannot come near to this, because this is derived by the God, not by Parthasarathi. Please understand that. It vibrates at those numbers. Vibrate means it vibrates, because this is the combination of 3, 6 and 9. That is why the market is respecting these numbers to the core. So you need to get the goosebump to see all these, how market is respecting these numbers like mad. Anyway, we get goosebumps every day. Okay. So, and coming to tomorrow, So now, as I told you that 3 days are the combination days, 20th to 22nd, all are major combo dates for the trending move, and more or less we got it. We got the trending move and we used it wisely. Okay, and yesterday I said Bank Nifty futures numbers converge. Be ready for 750 points move in a single day. Today we got roughly around 450 points. And today Nifty future number converged. Possibility of another 250 points in a single day. So based on the past pattern really worked beautifully. So tomorrow simply mark the first 30 minutes high and low in Nifty or 15 minutes high and low on Nifty. Whichever side it breaks, you take a position. Give first 15 minutes to market. Let it settles. Then do whatever you want to do. Then now the numbers are converged. And it exactly closed at the weekly number. That is why I have given a black color number. So it is exactly closed at 21,171. So now where it will go? If it breaks this, it will go and touch this number. So this will be the support number now for Nifty future. Okay, and below this I am expecting this number. More or less this number came, and the last support is 20,936. And again I am telling, if it holds this number, the market will go like this on Friday. Take this from me. If it holds 20,936, and if the market comes down and touches this number and takes the support, it will go like this on Friday. Wait and watch. Okay. So this is the number. And coming to Bank Nifty, Again the convergence is still active. Again the convergence is still active. So possibility of again one more round of selling or a buying will come after marking that 30 minutes high and low or 15 minutes high and low. So now it closed below this number. So that is why it has become red. Now where is the support when it comes to Bank Nifty future? The support is here. The support is here. So if it comes and hold this number, the bottom will be done. The bottom will be done in Bank Nifty future. You don't need a chart to predict all this. You don't need a price action pattern and all to predict all this. Simple mark this one number and see how market respecting that particular number. Okay, so watch it and enjoy it for tomorrow. And there are many counters. I think there are 4 counters today came into the TCD, and obviously this is MRF, and this is Maruti, and rest 2 are for the members only. So that's all, nothing more to add in this video. Again saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. See you soon tomorrow. In case if there is a magical number of Nifty, magical timing in Nifty, and if there is anything special, I will let you know. And today I have clearly given to Telegram members also, be very cautious in Bank Nifty. Be very cautious in Bank Nifty, and many stocks are now coming to touch the support level. Now if you go to fortune signals, how we traded this market today. So now if you go here, the genuine sell came here when it is in green candle. So that low was respected. That low was respected. So you should not go short. You should not go short. So again it went up. Then it came and broke that genuine sell candle low here. So once it broke this genuine candle low, you need to wait for it to go and touch the blue. So you need to initiate the short here at 21,520. Then it gave a buy. None of the candle closed above the buy. This is where people will go trap. This is where the people will go trap. So simply mark this, take a short position, stop loss high of this candle. So if you see here, the high and low of this candle is roughly around 8 points. Just 8 points. For 8 points, it has given more than 300 points or more than 400 points. This is a fake sell. How we can identify that? If I enable my system here, it gives a buy. If none of the candle close above the normal buy, the G cell is still intact. The G cell is still intact. So then it started falling. All the candles are red. Again it gave a buy. None of the candle closed above the buy, and it is normal buy. It is not a genuine buy. So if you want to avoid that, simply go here. Take this thing, and till you get a genuine buy like this, like genuine sell, till you get a genuine buy in 1 minute, enjoy the complete trend. And whenever it goes and touches the blue, sell here. Even from here, it has given you roughly around 200 points. So now when you go to Bank Nifty, let's go to Bank Nifty. Let's go to Bank Nifty in 1 minute. So again, the G cell came here, and this candle low was taken out here. Once it breaks the low of that genuine sell candle, wait for it to go and touch the blue. It touched the blue here. Then it gave a buy candle, but none of the candle closed above the buy candle. This is where market made the top. So this system can capture, even if it is an expiry day, it doesn't matter. This system will capture where the top is going to happen, where the people will get trapped. And exactly we got the fractal candle on that particular candle, and from there this is a fake buy because none of the candle closed above the buy. This is a fake buy. Take a short position here, keep a stop loss of here, and the candle, the total width is roughly around 25 points or 35 points or whatever it is. For 35 points, it has given roughly around 600 points. And after that, you don't see any green candle till the end of the day. And whenever it goes and touches here, sell. See how beautifully you can capture in 1 minute time frame. You can do this even in 30 seconds time frame to capture these kind of a move. Again, in 30 seconds it gave a buy here, the green candle, whether any candle closed above the buy. People are talking about expiry trade, belongs to FIIs. I am showing now in my system. Whether any candle closed above the buy here. 30 seconds time frame. Nobody will trade 30 seconds time frame. And see how in 30 seconds time frame from 47,923 to 47,400, the full points, there is no buy from this top to this bottom, there is no genuine buy. So now if you go here and if you click this and take this, there is no genuine buy from end to end. 30 seconds time. So now go to 15 seconds time. Even in 15 seconds time frame also you can capture from here at least to here, which is roughly around 600 points fall in 15 seconds time frame without any emotion, because all the candles are red, and even in the 15 seconds time frame it got the exact eye. None of the candle closed above here, even in 15 seconds time frame, and this day belongs to the big guys. See how it is capturing the top even in 15 seconds time frame. And this will never repaint in the history. Even if you trade in 1 second time frame also, it will not repaint. It will not repaint even in 1 second time frame. In 1 second time frame, from 47,420 to 47,200, there is no buy. 1 second time frame. 250 points in 1 second time frame without any emotion. But I am not telling that this system is supreme and all that. All the systems are supreme. You are also having a good system with you. Kindly don't apply your mind. Believe in your system. That system will take care of you everything. And one more thing, don't go and watch CNBC ET now. You will never make money in stock market if you watch these people. Stick to your system. Stick to your system. The system knows everything. Or now people are talking about COVID is coming, there is some raid everywhere, it's happening, and blah 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 blah. 5 more negative things are coming in. Don't read all that. Unnecessary. Suddenly if the market turns, you turn from tomorrow, if you go and read all these news, you will not buy. Your mind will stuck to that news. As a trader, you need to be a chameleon. Whenever it is a fall, be in the market. Whenever it is taking a U-turn, cover the short position, be in long. And for that, you need to use one time frame, one system. Changing the time frame again and again and again, changing the indicator again and again and again and again. It's not going to help you. It's not going to help you. Stay with one system, one time frame for your life, if possible, one stock, which is more than enough for you to make money in this market. Avoid outside noise. Rest the market is there to give you humongous wealth, and it is always there to help you only. Don't think that it is there to punish you. No. It is sitting there only to help you because it is ultimate, it is almighty, the purity. So try to be with the market and try to respect the market and try to show gratitude to market, and your trading life will be smooth, smooth and smooth. Okay, thanks a lot, and pranam to market for respecting all our views, and we will see tomorrow. Bye.